Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we format map in dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For formatting maps in dashboard in AIV, we'll go to the edit option of the maps and there we'll go to formatting, and in formatting we'll go to general map appearance. Now here in map projection, you can select the projection of the map as per your own requirement. Like I have selected Miller, because of which the map is appearing like this. Now if you want, you can select some other projection like Mercator. You'll be able to see that the projection has changed. Or you can select Eckert 5, so the map will appear like this. Then we have map title properties, like you can give a suitable title to the map. Like here I'm writing regional sales. So now we have a title for the map. You can increase or decrease the font size of the title. You can make it bold, bolder, lighter, normal. You can change the alignment of the title. You can keep it at the center, right, left. Like this, it will appear in the right. Or you can keep it in the center. You can also change the color of the title. Like this. Then we have the zoom level. Now that is the zoom level of the map. What is the level to which you would like to zoom this map? So home zoom level, you can increase it like this, or you can decrease it. You can change the alignment once you zoom it. That is the alignment, the general alignment, and also the vertical alignment you can change. Then we have map series. In map series, we'll go to the map series general properties, and here we can make change to the hover color. Now what is hover color? That is the color which is appearing while I'm hovering over any of the countries. You'll be able to see this color is coming when I'm hovering. You can make changes to this color, like for example, if I select a black color over here, you'll be able to see that now the black color is coming while I'm hovering over the countries. Then we have the active color. Now if I change the active color to some other color, say I'll keep it green. So you'll be able to see the active color here. When I'm clicking, the greenish color is coming. Active color is a color when I click on a particular country. So this is the active color. Then we have the heat legend. Now if I enable the heat legend, you'll be able to see that a heat legend appears over here. Now in this heat legend, what you can see is, like for example, if you want to see the value in the map, you can just click over here and you'll be able to see that when I'm clicking over here, you'll be able to see the changes happening in the map. So the value which is appearing over here will tell you which country has this value. Same way for this also, like if I'm clicking over here, this will tell me now this color is over here and the same color we have here. So that means Norway has got this value. Now if I click over here, now this color tells me that Ireland has this value. Same way if I click over here, dark green is coming. Now if I, yeah, so Sweden has this value. So basically this heat legend helps you to know which country has these values. Then we have the tooltip. So now tooltip is something you can see whenever I'm hovering over the countries, you are able to see the name of the countries and the value appearing. That is the tooltip. Then we have the heat rules toggle. Now it is the minimum color and the maximum color. You'll be able to see here. Now where this color is coming, green, is the minimum value, and where the black color is coming, it is the maximum value color. So you can likewise set the color for the minimum value in the map and for the maximum value in the map, and save and exit. So this is how we can format map in a dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific queries, you can write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.